Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find home screen and style. Then let's tap on this first toggle because it is for the lock screen and the wallpaper, so let's tap on it. And here, as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got some official ones, beautiful nature, advanced, futuristic, and the colors. Of course, you can tap on more, and if you've got, of course, give all the permissions. If you will have the account, you will be able to explore more options. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it, and as you can see, this is how it will look like on the home screen. So all we have to do is to tap on apply. And we will set the wallpaper only on the home screen. Of course, if you would like to set it for the lock screen, you will have to do it right here on this preview, of course. But let me go back and let's check whether it was applied. As you can see, we've got the wallpaper applied on the home screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.